Welcome to Politricks Watch. This is RP. Now today I'm going to be talking about another beryllium guard robbery. This time I say $23 million. I can tell you now why. Clearly, there are a lot of arrogant people in high places, who, instead of checking their ego and their delusion, would rather sit back and lie to themselves while people continue to walk straight into them death. I will tell you all about it. Today we have 3 birthday shout out. Yes, 3. First one goes out to the journalist of the year. Yes, Nigel Walford. He would have been 32 on Saturday. Patreon squad this week, look out for your post concerning Nigel. Right. That's all I have to say. Right. For the people them who responsible for Nigel's death, don't worry on yourself. All is well. Iron Man. Next up we have Kane Harvey. He turned 32 today. The message he mentioned saying, he had to drop off a calendar like he might say I get old. Well, Kane, you're the same age as Nigel would have been, right? And you see how that go. So, I have to give thanks. It's a blessing when the age drop off of the calendar. Nigel didn't get the chance to. Big up Kane. Next up we have long time Patreon squad. Long time. Epoxy. Right. Today, for their birthday too. So Kane and Epoxy. Same birthday, same Patreon squad. Kane and Epoxy. Hope and enjoy. Fool yourself. Give thanks to life. Pick up on the food. A year a day. Nigel, let me say, no worry yourself, dude. We could move into the video. Beryllium get hit again. 87s are like children. You see, enough time we talk some things over here, so the so-called experts them go up on them panel and them say certain things and people, well, he's the head of this and he studied this. But are the experts them words I repeat over and over, or I come to pass over and over? After the first robbery, many experts made it sound like I was one of them things there. There is nothing you can do. Utter rubbish. Once you see what go on, with the $10 million robbery, there was going to be more. You know why? Once that robbery went down, and 87s see how it play out, you know what it did? Increase their confidence. And then this one happened. And them also, gateway, scratch free, confidence gone up again. $23 million. An entire team. You see a statement come out from Beryllium. Them say the driver and 3 crew. That's 4 people. 4 people. Now, this time, no lives were lost, thankfully. Look like the guards are going to recover. Here's the thing, this company Beryllium, they used to name guards, man. They might have got change about the name. They might have got change about the name so 87s can't take them serious. Cause this Beryllium name might have sound sweet. Look like when 87s hear Beryllium, they might say that sound like some kind of fruit. Strawberry, kneesberry, raspberry. Beryllium. Now I know. When everybody's so bright. I know. I know you're talking about beryllium, the earth metal, I know. Symbol BE, atomic number 4. Yes, I know, it's so fancy and smart. So this is what people come up in their marketing rooms, come up with things, let's call it beryllium. Yeah, because beryllium is like this earth metal, and the element and the symbol of and them sitting in that marketing room. Guess what? 87 don't know what name, so might have to go change by the name of the guys, man. Commander, look more. Respect might sound a little more serious. Company come out and say they're going to assess operations. Know them do that? The first time I met the video, I said this. There are fundamental issues with the way how right, them company operate. The SOPs, not up to bar. Me see all kind of experts come say, nobody know there's nothing you can do when these things happen. And alright, meanwhile your staff, I get wiped out, man. Every time them face a bunch of ragtag 87s, and that's exactly who carried this out. This is not, right, no highly trained nothing. The first one wasn't. When time them killed the guard at point blank range, we saw the video. Those are not highly trained individuals. People are feeding into the delusion. How many times have I tell you now? What is the difference between confidence and delusion? Results. 87s are confident because they have results. They've hit beryllium a number of times. Remember, this is the same beryllium where car tire puncture, man pull over and millions was lost. Remember that? Car tire, man pull over, said must have changed tire, or I don't know if the engine drop out or the turbo drop out or something. The crankshaft broke up. But remember, car pull up on the roadside, 87 just pull up, money gone. Remember that story there? That was Strawberry. Right. The robbery one, $10 million, the guard get killed, point blank range. Them. Now we see $23 million, they're getting hit over and over, and before the people check them ego and their delusion. Before the people who run that company and quote unquote advise that company, right? Check them ego. They say everybody's so bright. Well, I did this course and I did this course for 15 years, and I'm telling you, no man, I just one of them thing there. Companies getting smashed over and over. Right. And people still lie to them. No worry man, you just salt your salt. I just salt them salt while it keep happening over and over. Okay, sure. Your SOPs are, somebody come out and say, yeah, you can prepare the brother. No amount of preparation. Rubbish. See, this is why I can't work in a certain field now. Can you imagine going in front of a commanding officer after your whole platoon get wiped out, talking about, well, sir, no amount of preparation could have prepared us to the fact that we walked into an ambush and got the whole platoon wiped out. And the commanding officer is like, yeah, I am thinking for real. I say, alright, go on home. It's like a student who fails every exam. Right? And the parents and the teachers might tell the parent, say, don't worry yourself, man. There's no amount of preparation that could have helped you pass. I just want thing there. You fail every single exam you come up in, right? But that's one thing there. No amount of preparation could have helped you. How is the child going to improve? How is standards going to improve if you're telling people, say, I want them things? It's not one of them things. There are clear issues with how, right, these guard companies operate. Now, when time you see the video, it's all over the place. You don't know, this is a blast and then place habit already, right? Me see 87s a duck, and I go back to them car. I thought, oh, the guard them put up a better fight this time. We even see some rounds on the ground. Look like 12 gauge rounds. And I say, okay. But then when I come to find out that the greatest challenge they faced was from a licensed firearm holder who was on the scene.
We understand. Well, that is something that I need to verify with the commanding officer. When I spoke to him earlier, he did mention that based on the information, and as a matter of fact, they believe that the intervention probably prevented further injuries to the security officers, which is something that they are trying to get some more information. As I said, the information is coming in bits and pieces, and as we probe, we are uncovering more. But yes, we can confirm that there was a citizen that assisted.
That is when 87 started to scatter like when time light come on and roach attack with themselves. If it was not for the actions of the single licensed firearm holder, it would have probably been worse than the guard. Means that the man would go over there go probably execute. Because the man them shot them up, right? And then the licensed firearm holder start challenging. 87 start attack with themselves. When your entire team get shot up by 87s and they don't pick up a single round, there is not one 87 lying on the ground. Something is not being done properly. No group of 87s. Could be 5 car load. Right? They're supposed to pull up on a team of guards, right, who are armed themselves, have vests, have a vehicle where them can use as cover, and not one of them that lie down on the ground. Not one. This is the second time, right, in recent weeks. Plus the other one we hear about with car pull over, where 87s pull up, right, do serious damage, take the money and gone with them business and not take no losses. This type of thing is increasing the confidence. Now, people ask me the question, you think of the same man them? I don't know, it could be. Or not, because guess what? Everybody have TV. Everybody have news. Everybody have phone. And other gunman I sit down and I watch and I say, well, if them boy this is how 87 took on it. If them boy they can do that, I will better than them. Imagine if we got do it. In the previous incident, when time them take the 10 mil and kill the guard, that was 2 87s. I run up and down and shoot them up. You think other gunman are sit down and I watch and I say, well, 2 87 do that? Then suppose 6 hours ago. Suppose 8 hours ago. When I talk to you, guards, security guards, armed guards, because the company I work for, I lie to you. Right. The people them who them pay to come quote unquote advise them, I lie to them and I lie to you too. Right. Let me explain to you how you turn the tides. This type of robbery is going to happen over and over until one owner lay out some 87s flat on the ground, spread eagle, right, and then people are going to think twice. At the moment, when they look like pushover. Let me repeat that again. Until one of these security companies, right, until Beryllium or whoever, get attacked, right, and they respond by laying out the 87s them flat, right, and then start to put doubt in other 87s mind, you're going to get attacked over and over and over. Because they see you as ackee and saltfish. They see you as stew peas. They see you as curry mutton. Right. Easy food that for them. That's how they're looking at it right now. Right. And once 87 make up their mind, right, and put you in that category, you're gonna get hit over and over again because they're the ultimate bullies. And bullies kick you and beat you until one day they get your teeth knocked out. Right. So far, them teeth they get knocked out. And them knock out your teeth. Over and over. Not one has been laid out on the ground. And so far, the strongest challenge them get was from a licensed firearm that would have happened to be on the scene. Somebody have to show these 87s that armed guards, right, armed couriers mean business. Until then, gonna get hit over and over. When you can make people lie to you and tell them about these things just happen and when we assess up, them should assess up. You see them they really care about you. From the big one go down with you. What was it, February? Them should have go to the drawing board and say, right, we'll look on all this now. Yeah, the SOPs have got changed. No. Instead they were arrogant, delusional. Right. Lying to themselves, lying to people. No, these things just happen. No, they don't just happen. Yes, 87 will try rob you. But the way how, right, you respond to these attacks, they can do something about that. Right? And the response so far encourages further attacks. The last thing you want is for a group of gunmen think to themselves, if I attack them people, I am coming out on the winning side. That's what's happening right now. They are confident that they're going to come out on the winning side. 10 million, 23 million, how much next? And I open to realize that these big money robberies have impact on crime far and wide. What do you think happens when a gang get $23 million? Do you think they go buy teddy bears and throw them on them sofa and lie down on them? The gang is now far stronger than it ever was. You know how much gun and shot $23 million can buy? You know how much crooked squaddy that can buy out? Do you know what happen? Do you know how much car they can rent? How much things they can do to go for how much more shootings? I just like when a company make more money, they can expand. When a company have record profits, they can expand. When a gang get $23 million, they can expand. A gang suddenly coming across $23 million is bad news. Alright, man. And the man them walk up and I take it away, right, from guard companies in minutes. the easiest $23 million them can ever make in their life. There is no work where you can do. You see, this is why when people talk about if we gave people jobs, then they would the unemployment. Gunman, criminals want fast money. There is no job on earth where you can make $23 million in 40 seconds. So the type of person who want that type of money in that type of time, none of your job or your programs can deter them. The President of the United States don't make $23 million in 40 seconds. You see, these people want you to believe, say, sci-fi go up on a social program where I go make other gunman come to him and say, yo, we can go liquor, beryllium, easy money, $23 million. And then I go say, nah bro, I'm going easy on the program. Yeah, this social intervention program, nah, $23 million in a 30 seconds work. And I'm going to shoot somebody, what I do anyway. I kill people for free. But now I can get $23 million for just shoot some guy and take some money. Nah, I'm just gonna stay over here on this program. It's changed my life. People are delusional. Difference between confidence and delusion is results. People might tell us that these guard companies are everything sorted out. They don't have the results for sure. You see, they keep getting hit over and over, right, and coming out on the losing side. You know who's really confident? The 87s who are doing it. Because them have the results. When them come, them dig down the guard them, take the money. Confidence. Now, them go dump the car them, right, on the expense side. That already kind of give me an idea which type of man involved in this. We gotta do some more research. But I want to understand something. Spanish Town look completely different now from back in the day. Clans split up, one other split up. They have clans and one other man are together. For example, Tickman and Termite are linked right now. Tickman them were one other man them and Termite them, right, form a partnership. But then Termite and Bedbugs them, who are clansmen, are linked. Oh, and by the way, don't think so when I notice, say, with the whole license firearm all that thing, right? We don't know that guy already. If one could have do that, imagine what two could have do. And even though the police come out and say, if it wasn't for the license firearm all that, it would have been much worse than the guard them. Your favorite CEO, right? Just an eye behind one wall. I wait for years say somebody get upset and shoot after them wife or something. So you can then come out and say, you see, this is why nobody shouldn't have them things up. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more like Politricks squad, see you circling. Bless.